Happy Sunday. Instagram, Facebook, I don't own the rights to the music in the background. Y'all, happy Sunday. Hope everybody's Sunday is going good. Hope everybody is up. When I mean up, that means you're not down and out. That means that you got good positive vibes going. You're goal oriented. You're hopeful, and all the other good stuff. So if you're up, stay up. This is a beautiful Sunday where I am. It's, a little bit of wind, but not too bad. Not too hot. So that's good. That's a good thing. This is like riding with your window down type weather. This is great, y'all. Y'all, this month of April is like, for me personally, I think this month is flying by, y'all. Time is waiting on no one. This month is flying, y'all. I just remember it being the 1st of April. Like, remember it being April the 1st, Good Friday, spring break. And now it's like the middle of the month, y'all. So that lets you know that time is waiting on no man. You got to be with it. Now, you have to be with it. You have to be, going with the flow, going with the time. Just not waiting on nobody, y'all. Really, y'all. This is fast time. So, that let me know we got to be with the time. Oh, I like this song. We have to be with the time. We have to know what we're going to do. We have to be go-getters and achievers because, y'all, time is not waiting on nobody. So, I'm always encouraging people to always have some type of goal in mind, working towards something. And if you are working towards something, keep it going. If you're not seeing the results that you want, that doesn't mean to give up. That doesn't mean to throw in the towel, give up. You keep going. Be self-motivated. You don't have to wait on somebody to tell you to go get it. Go get it whenever you realize that you breathe and you alive. You can use your body, your brain, your hands, your muscles. You got to go get it. You got to go get it every day. Every day should be a go-getter day. Not just one day, every day. If you made a win, create another win. Keep going. Keep going. Go. Just keep going. You should never just get comfortable because you accomplished something. You know what I'm saying? Always keep going because you know what? Your accomplishment can be a blessing to somebody else. Your accomplishment can help somebody else out. Somebody may be watching you. Somebody may be taking notes from you. So you just want to keep that going. You want to keep it going. You don't want just to be complacent because you succeeded in one thing. You know what I'm saying? We all should be like that. We all should be, high achievers and just going for it, y'all. This is a good day, y'all. A good day. If where you are, if the weather is nice, I suggest that you go out, get some vitamin D, get some exercise. We're supposed to be getting 30 minutes of exercise every day anyway. Take advantage of that. If you're a person that doesn't exercise, that doesn't move your body, start doing that. Because exercise has been proven when you exercise, it improves your mood. It helps, you get you a better night's sleep. It helps bring the necessary oxygen to your brain. So exercise, move your body. It's go outside, do something constructive, y'all. It's recommended we get 30 minutes a day anyway. So y'all try to, be more intentional and active on getting in your physical fitness. Right now, y'all, I'm about to drink my immuno tea and a CBD lemon tea. Y'all, I got it mixed in one bottle. This is 9 ounces of water. And what the immunity does, it helps build your immune system. We all need a great immune system booster, especially because of COVID. Because we're taking vaccines, y'all, COVID is still real. So we still need to protect our immune system. We need to build up our immune system so we won't get that awful disease. So y'all, we need to be building our immune system each and every day. So I have my immunity in, and more information on my immunity is on the link in my bio. I know it has ginger in it, turmeric, and tulsi. Ginger, it has a lot of great benefits. So as turmeric. Turmeric is great for great blood flow. Turmeric is good for swellings, inflammation. That's all in our immunity. And ginger has great benefits as well. If you suffer, with pains and aches and stuff like that, the immunity is good for that. It also gives you a great immune system booster. And also with the lemon CBD tea, the CBD tea in the lemon, y'all, that helps. As it gives you a great sense of calmness. It also helps you with aches and soreness and pain and stuff like that. It helps you get a great night's sleep. So, and a great detox. So you're getting a lot of benefits in one when you drink the lemon CBD tea. So that, if you're not an essential worker and you don't get regular drug testing, y'all, the lemon CBD tea works wonders. If you have issues with you wearing knee brace, issues with knee pain, like I said, inflammation, joint pain, the lemon CBD tea works wonders. Y'all, it's great for that. It mellows you out, y'all. I love this. So I have that here, mixing my bottle with my immunity. Cheers. And y'all, the taste is so good. With the lemon tea has a great taste too. I love the lemon tea. And with the immunity, it has a great citrus orange flavor. They're great together. They're great drinking them by itself. So y'all, it's good. And it's good for you. It has great taste, and you also get the detox that you need. And then with our detox, you will take that 30 minutes prior to your meal to get the fibers working. You also want to give it at least an 8-hour window. That's what I do, by working. I give it an 8-hour window. So by me taking it down 350, I'll say it'll start to work probably first thing in the morning, late tonight. It all depends on your body and what your body is used to. And if your body get used to drinking the tea, it'll work quicker than that. And especially if you chase this down with about 2 more full bottles of water, it's gonna work. Y'all, I've been getting results quick. Another great thing about tea, everybody talking about what's up about the tea? What's up about the tea? The tea, y'all, it attacks the parasites in your system. It attacks the mucus, the old food that you eat. Guys, the tea, it attacks all that. It helps you to get rid of those parasites. It helps you to lose the weight. So that's the benefit of the tea. Y'all, tea is very important, y'all. The natural ingredients that we have in our teas, y'all, it helps. You can drink it. You can drink like 2 to 3 sachets a day. You can. It's harmless, and then you will also get the great detox that you need. So if you have not ever detoxed ever, you still sitting on food from prior years. And where is that food going if you're not releasing it like you should? That food is still stuck into your belly area, which is going to turn into parasites and mucus, and in turn, it's going to turn into daily illnesses. You know what I'm saying? So you want to be careful about not detox. You want to detox your body. You know what I'm saying? You want to detox your body. And I know, as for me, once I started detoxing my body, I started to feel better. I started to go to the bathroom more regular because I wasn't going regular. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't going as regular as I should. So by drinking the detox, it helped me to go to the bathroom more regular, which I need to push out all of the bad germs and the bad chemicals that was sitting in my body. You know what I'm saying? That's why a lot of people can't lose the weight because they're not detoxing. Along with eating right and exercise, you need to detox your body. So that's why everybody talk about the tea. The tea is very vital and important for that. Detoxing, cleaning out your system. Being able to remove the daily toxic stuff that's in your body. So that's why, we're big on this. We're coming on every day to tell you about it. And I know some of my business partners, they have lose between 50, 60 pounds or more by detoxing. They detox. You just don't only do it for a week and stop. You got to keep, that have to be something consistent. Detox, they eat healthy, and they exercise. You know what I'm saying? They get the proper nutrients in your body. So that's the importance of detoxing. And also the other thing about detoxing, it's going to get rid of a lot of that bad eating. People like to snack a lot. They have cravings for, eating unhealthy. The detox tea, it helps you with that. It helps you, get rid of those bad cravings. You're not going to be a person as snacky if you're consistent using detox. You're not going to want to continue to eat bad because you're going to be more conscious of your eating. And you're not going to want to eat like that. It's going to cut a lot of that extra snacking out. So that's good, so to have good things into your system, such as our detox teas. And if you want to try that, because I recommend that everybody does. If you want to try that, if you want to be a person that you want to sample the teas to see how you like it, I can offer samples. You know what I'm saying? But you wouldn't have to need the sample because you're going to get good benefits from drinking the tea anyway. You know what I'm saying? Why not full-fledged jump into it? It's really helpful, guys. So that's the importance of the detox teas. And the NutriBurst, we have a multi-liquid vitamin called the NutriBurst, and NutriBurst is going to put back the nutrients in your body after you detox. It's going to put the nutrients back into your system. Also, it's going to give you all of the nutrients and the whole food, and it's equivalent to eating 20 salads, all those things that our body needs to function and operate. That's what the NutriBurst does, and we have that in samples as well. There's also a link in my bio. You can access that, and if you want me to send you some from my personal stash, I can do that, y'all. But just get into my inbox. Let me know, what you want to try. What you want to. I recommend you start off with the regular ISO tea and the NutriBurst and the NRG pill. That's going to help you kickstart with your weight loss to get healthy. Even if you don't want to lose weight, if you want to maintain your weight, if you want to gain weight, I have weight gain products as well called Chewy and the Matrix. I will be on a little later on, if it's not tonight, tomorrow, show you how I do my Matrix shake. But that's weight gain, muscle building products. We have things for everything, y'all. Because I have over 40-something products that will help you out with every issue. Any issue you have, we have products for every issue. Weight gain, skin issues. If you have issues with allergies, sinus. You have issues with what you want to cut your cravings. We have resolution drops. We have life drops. We have things for all that you want to get more vegetables in, more protein. We have the fight. We have different things, y'all, that can help you out on any of your healthy journey thing that you want. Anything you want to do to kick off your healthy journey, y'all. We have products for everything, y'all. Each and everybody is not going to use the same products. I may not use the life drops, the resolution drops, but somebody else will. And you have to know what you want to work on, each product works best for certain individuals. You have to know what works best for you. What is your issue? If you're trying to gain weight, lose weight, you're trying to work on your skin. See, it's different things, products for different things that you're trying to work on. It's not just for one set person. To people that want to gain weight. We got products for everything, y'all. That's what I'm trying to say. So, just let me know what your issue is, what you're trying to do, and I can help you out with that. And also, you can be able to, in the meantime, you can be able to browse my website. That's the link in my bio. Click on that link and see different things that can benefit you. Like I said, everybody doesn't have the same issue. I have issues, like people who have issues with joint pain, arthritis. We have this thing called a stem sense, and I've been using the stem sense because I have little aches in my body. So by using that works for me. The stem sense that helps me be able to alleviate a lot of the joint pain that I have. So we have different things for everybody. You know what I'm saying? You just have to know what you want, and if you don't know, then I can help you out with that. Guys. I'm gonna finish this up before I get off. Okay, y'all. I want you all to continue to have a great, successful Sunday. Y'all, stay up, stay motivated, keep going. Whatever you're working towards, if it's benefiting you working, keep it going. Don't give up, don't throw in the towel. keep it going. Guys, if you haven't started on anything yet, this is the perfect day and time to start. Start working towards personal goals. Start working towards your health. We all need to be healthy. We all need to be healthy. Ain't nobody that don't need to be healthy. We all need to be healthy. We all need to be doing some physical fitness. We all need to be taking some all natural products to help out, to help us to have more energy, to live longer, and to be able to do the things that we need to do, y'all. We all should have healthy goals. We're not waiting for a doctor to tell us or diagnose us with the issue or problem. We all should be trying to get healthy. That's what life about, evolving, being a better version of yourself, leveling up, doing what you need to do. Y'all, this go get a season, y'all. We need to go getting it each and every day, y'all. So continue to have a happy, blessed Sunday, y'all. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.